Gamma generates professional presentations in under 5 minutes, replacing hours of manual design work. Gamma generates presentations, documents, and web pages using AI. Its Pro plan costs $20 per month when billed monthly, or $15 per month when billed annually, and includes 4,000 monthly credits. Simply type your topic, choose a template, and watch it build. This saves small business owners significant time on content creation. HeyGen creates professional AI videos with custom avatars and voices. The creator plan costs $29 per month, or $24 per month annually, and includes 600 monthly credits, which translates to approximately 30 minutes of avatar video. Upload a script, select an avatar, and generate engaging marketing content quickly. Next, explore AI audio for voiceovers. ElevenLabs offers realistic voice generation and cloning for podcasts or audiobooks. The creator plan is $22 per month for 100,000 characters. Upload a 1-minute audio sample to clone your voice, or generate new narration from text. This saves recording time.
Fireflies.ai and Otter.ai transcribe and summarize meetings automatically. Firefly's Pro plan is $18 per month. Otter's business plan costs $20 per month. Both integrate with Zoom or Google Meet to capture key points and action items, saving time on note-taking.
Suno generates unique songs from text prompts, and Luma AI creates realistic 3D videos from text or images. Suno's Pro plan costs $10 per month for 2,500 credits. Luma's Pro plan is $90 per month when billed monthly, or $75 per month annually. These tools offer new avenues for creative marketing assets.
You now understand how specific AI tools like Gamma, HeyGen, and ElevenLabs can enhance your small business operations. For more AI strategies, watch our video on AI prompt engineering basics.